Aceh. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Waalaikumsalam.
Alhamdulillahirabbil alamin. Wassalatu wassalamu ala asyrafil anbiya wal mursalin wa ala alihi wa ashabihi ajma'in. Amma ba'du. Today we are standing here in front of you to tell you that we have this statement regarding people revolution and people of power. Here are two statements. As Aceh, we want Indonesia to settle completed its item that is on MOU Helsinki. If there is no clarity regarding this area will demand independence and our flag will fly again in our homeland Aceh before 2024. We ask the Indonesian official from Governor Allah and are under them so Acehis will get justice and equality and cannot arbitrarily. We ask our high-ranking young leaders, Dan Adam and Dan Ayam, not to be involved in local and national political parties, but to return to the struggle for Aceh self-determination. We, the Acehis, demand the content of the problem of the framework 1945 for our homeland country. Is the inalienable right of our nation. Therefore, our colonialism must be abolished in this war. It is not in conformity with humanity, like humanity and justice.
Hidup Aceh.
Hidup
Aceh. Hidup Aceh.
Hidup bangsa Aceh. Hidup rakyat Aceh. Hidup Nangro Aceh. Hidup bangsa Aceh.
Merdeka! 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 Merdeka!
If the above points are not perfect, then we from the people power movement of the Acehis will go each harder and we will save this war. We got each harder and we will save this war. We must know that our predecessors and fought and sacrificed their whole body and soul to try to pull the colonizer out of our land, Aceh. They fought also bravely to maintain this country, dignity, and of course, for our freedom! For our freedom in Aceh!
Free Aceh! Free! Free Aceh!
Free Aceh! Free Aceh! Outnumbering and didn't have weapons as advantage as the those who were against us. Our heritage not give up and fought to their very last drop of blood. Thank you. Free Aceh! Free Aceh! Is nation for Aceh! For people Aceh! Free Aceh! Free Aceh! Free Aceh!
Free Aceh!
Terima kasih pemandu bangsa Aceh yang kami himpun di sini. Jino menyanyi akan kebaca doa sahabat-sahabat. Semoga doa yang kebacanya diijabah oleh Allah dengan berkat para aulia, para anbiya, para syuhada, para anak yatim, para orang hidup pada dunia di Aceh yang kahana ibu kau belum kau sangat ke bangsa Aceh yang dia betul urangnya bangsa Aceh dan sayang tai kan mudah sekali. Jarau
terima kasih kepada Tunku Wajin yang kali berpetrang deklarasi dua kata. Yang perlu kata yang megah orang yang nak tanggal 24 kata yang nak dapat orasi di DPRK di PD ya. Tujuan kata yang nak tujuan yang paling suci lagi nak tujuan bangsa Aceh untuk dapat bibir bangsa roh terhalang daripada perjuangan genareh daripada Indatu kata yang
Kubibur bangsa Aceh dari penjajahan. Kubibur bangsa Aceh daripada penjajahan.
Semoga perjuangannya wahana pernah reda sebelum Aceh nyong medelat lailong lagi asai mula nibak masa Sultan Iskandar Muda. Terus semangat bangsa Aceh merdeka. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Nah, suara deh.
Kami